Welcome guys, my name is Albert, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a woman go crazy for you. So if you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos, because on this channel I teach you guys how to become better men and how to improve your interactions with women. Okay, so let's dive right into this topic. I really love this topic. Here is why. Because you have to understand the theory. This deals with a lot of mindset. Okay, so you might actually want to watch this video again because there's a lot of information that I'm going to input into this video. So you don't want to miss any part of it. You see, to make a woman go crazy for you, you have to understand the concept of leverage. Both men and women have leverage. We want something they have, and they have something that we have. And that is leverage. For you to understand what the leverage is, what is it that women have that we want? What is it that we have that women want? And the thing is that sometimes a lot of guys don't. Everyone knows what women have that we want most of all, right? It's that intimacy and it's sex. We understand this since the beginning of time. Women have understand that they've had this leverage over men, and then they can use it at any point in time to get whatever they want. But here's the thing. Men do not understand the leverage that we have over women. They don't understand what that leverage is that we have that women crave, what they need. It's not even a want, it's a need. They need it. And what I'm talking about is your attention and validation. Guys, if you know how to use your attention and validation the right way, women will constantly go crazy for you. I'm going to break this down even further. Okay? You see, women use sex as a leverage to string men along. We all know this. That's why they keep guys in the friend zone, because they know, right? They don't tell men that they need their attention and their validation, right? But men are they're so dumb in the fact that they let the girl know, oh, you know what? I want your sex. I want your intimacy. But she's never going to let the guy know, oh, I need your attention or I need your validation, right? So the guy keeps giving her validation, keeps giving her the attention so that he can, in the possibility of getting sex from this woman, right? And she just keeps taking the attention, keeps taking the validation. That's why you see all women always posting the selfies, always posting Snapchat. That's why we're in a generation where women are just focused on their phone, because they get that constant validation. So how does this help you in any way, right? If she can get validation from anywhere, how does this help you in making her drive her crazy for you? Here's the thing. All attention and validation aren't created equally. Here's the thing. Have you ever wondered why you went out with a girl for 2-3 weeks, and all of a sudden, in the beginning it was so hot, but then all of a sudden it just kind of dies out? It's because she got everything that she wanted from you. She understood that your attention and validation, you gave it up so freely. She didn't have to work for it. So that validation came to her cheaply, so she doesn't value it anymore. That's why it's important when you are going out with a woman. In the beginning, you have to be vigilant. You have to make sure that the attention that she craves and needs from you, and remember guys, when she's not attracted to you, she's okay with validation from afar. You know, the likes, the comments, oh, good morning, beautiful, right? When she's not really attracted to you, she's okay with that kind of validation. She still needs that kind of validation. But when she's attracted to you and she likes you, She wants your validation in person. She wants your time. That validation to her is of higher quality than the validation she gets online. So she understands this, right? So she's going to put in the work. That's why in the beginning when you're dating a woman, she puts in the work. That's when you're going to get the best head. That's when you're going to get the best sex, right? Because she understands if she puts in the work, she's going to get that high quality validation. But some guys don't understand this and they they start doing too much, giving her too much of it. It's like when you eat pizza, right? If your favorite food is pizza, that first slice is freaking amazing. Second slice is amazing. But once you get to that eighth slice, you're like, man, I freaking hate pizza, right? So you have to use this concept of your leverage. Your leverage is your attention and validation, right? You only give her attention, and this is how you make her go crazy for you. You only give her your attention sparingly. Only when she has done something to prove herself to you, to give you, to get your validation. You just don't give her your validation, because, hey, she's cute. No. Right? Because you have to understand something. Women love men differently than we would love a woman, right? We can love a woman because of the intimacy she gives us, how beautiful she is, how she is when we're with her. But a woman can only fall in love with a man for what he can give to her. When she meets a man, she falls more in love with him when she knows that she can get his resources, when she knows that she can get his genetic makeup. Oh, you know what? If I have a baby with him, oh, the baby's gonna be so cute. The baby's gonna be tall, buff, long hair. You know how many women that I've dated that always tell me, oh, you know what? We will make beautiful babies. That's how a woman falls in love with you, right? She sees what she can get from me, and that's what she is attracted to. That's what makes her fall in love with you. Once she gets all those things, then it kind of dies away. That's why before women get married, they're excited, everything is great. Once they get married and now they're in a long-term relationship, they've gotten everything they can from the husband, then they start saying things like, oh, the excitement has died out. Right? Because now they have gotten all that validation, everything. That validation that they've been seeking, they've gotten so much of it that they're now now it becomes low quality validation. It doesn't really matter to them anymore. Right? So that's how you make a woman go crazy for you. You give her your attention that she craves sparingly, only when she deserves it. That's why you never, ever move in with a girl. You never do it. Because once you've moved in with a girl, here's the thing. Once you move in with her, it's like you've just given her what she wants in spades. Now she's gonna get your validation in spades. And now that's when the attraction starts dying. When she's craving your attention and you're feeding her just scraps, she's going to want more. She's going to ask you, how come we're not spending more time together? That is the best thing you could hear from a woman. We're not spending enough time. That's what you want your girl to be saying to you. Once your girl is saying that, perfect. That is perfect. Now, most guys mess up and they go, oh, you know what? Let's spend more time together. Wrong move. Wrong move. You let her know if she wants more of your time, this is what it's going to cost. This is what she has to do for you. Because now she is going to value that attention even higher. And now her attraction for you is going to go up because she knows she has to work for you to be in her presence, for you to give her that validation. That's how women go crazy for you. Okay? Guys, that is the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you guys have any questions, leave it for me in the comment sections below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.